Brilliant scientists, you are listening to our School on Air science subject. I hope you fully understand our lesson for today.
Sci-Talks Radio. Education must continue.
Learning is a great avenue.
No one will be left behind. With new normal comes new learning.
New method, new way of understanding.
Keep on learning.
Keep on achieving.
There's no way of hindering.
Enriching one's dream.
This is
Sci-Talks Radio,
your number one source of science education. Conveying a half an hour of quality scientific teaching on air.
This is Sci-Talks Radio.
Good morning, kids! Today is such a wonderful day. It's the start of the airing of RBI lessons this 2021. I hope everyone is ready as we begin our journey to the world of science. I am Ma'am Johanna R. Caro, your radio teacher from the Division of Isabela. How's your Christmas vacation? Did you spend it well with your family? Definitely, everybody enjoyed the holidays. Kids, I want you to get your learning activity sheets in Science 4 and also your necessary things near you. Stay in the most comfortable area with good frequency in your home. I'm reminding you to listen attentively because after our discussion, we shall be having a short quiz. Are you ready? Alright, I think everybody is ready now. Before we begin on our new lesson, let's check if you still remember our lesson about the effect of the changes in materials to the environment. Let's try to answer this. Draw a happy face if the change in the material is useful to the environment and sad face if it's harmful to the environment. I repeat, draw a happy face if the change in the material is useful to the environment and sad face if it's harmful to the environment. Grab your paper and pencil now. Let's begin. For number 1, recycling of old clothes. Is the effect in the environment useful or harmful? Let's move on to number 2. Shaping pieces of wood into chairs. Is it a happy face or a sad face? Let's proceed to number 3. Burning of old tires. Number 4. Throwing of detergents into the sewage. And number 5. Changing wood into charcoal for cooking. This time, let us find out your scores. I want you to check your work honestly. Clap your hands if I can expect it from you. Alright, number 1. The answer is happy face. Who got it right? Very good. Number 2. Excellent! It's a happy face. Number 3. Sad face. Number 4. Sad face. And for number 5, the answer is sad face. Now, count your correct answers. Those who got a perfect score, which is 5, I give you 5 stars. Those who got 4, I give you 4 stars. Those who got 3, I give you 3 stars. Those who scored 2 and below, study harder. You still have a chance to get stars as we go on to our new lesson for today, the major organs of human body. Today, we'll be going to know more of ourselves as we talk about human body. At the end of this episode, you are expected to identify and describe the major organs of human body and its functions. Human body is the structure of human being. It is composed of many different types of cells that together create tissues and subsequently organ system. Kids, join me in singing the body song in the tune of The Wheels on the Bus. Listen very well.
The heart in my body, it helps me live, helps me live, helps me live. The heart in my body, it helps me live in the wonderful world around me. The lungs in my body, they help me breathe, help me breathe, help me breathe. The lungs in my body, they help me breathe in the wonderful world around me. The brain in my head, it helps me think, helps me think, helps me think. The brain in my head, it helps me think in the wonderful world around me. The bones in my body, they help me move, help me move, help me move. The bones in my body, they help me move in the wonderful world around me.
How do you find the song? Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
What are the organs mentioned in the song? Correct! The organs mentioned in the song are heart, lungs, brain, and bones. Now, kids, put your right hand on the left side of your chest. What do you feel? You're right. You can feel your heartbeat. The heart is a hollow muscular organ that acts as a blood pump. It is located between the lungs in the middle of the chest. It is divided into 4 chambers. The upper chambers, the left and the right atria, which receive incoming blood. The lower chambers, the more muscular right and left ventricles, which pump blood out of your heart. What part of your body tells you that the weather is cold? You got it right. It's your brain. The human brain is the control system of the body. It receives information called impulses and can store information from past experiences. It is also the source of thoughts, moods, and emotions. When we eat, where do you think our food go? Excellent! Our food goes down to our stomach. The stomach is located in the upper left area of the abdomen, below the liver, and next to the spleen. Its main function is to store and break down the foods and liquids that we consume. As the muscles in our stomach continue to contract, the food is squeezed and mixed with digestive juices to change the food into nutrients. Small intestine contains digestive juices and other enzymes that completely digest food and absorb digested nutrients. Digested nutrients needed by the body are absorbed by the linings of the small intestine, just like water that passed through the filter. Undigested food particles pass through the large intestine and leave the body during defecation. Liver breaks down and builds up many biological molecules that store vitamins and iron. It also destroys old blood cells and poisons. It produces bile that aids digestion. When we breathe, air fills our lungs. The lungs is the primary organs of the respiratory system. The function is to extract oxygen from the atmosphere and transfer it into the bloodstream in a process of gas exchange. Let's have the next major organ. The kidneys are a pair of bean-shaped organs on either side of your spine, below your ribs, and behind your belly. Each of the kidneys' job is to filter blood. The major metabolic waste produced by our body are filtered by the kidneys in the blood like salts, water, and nitrogenous waste. Kidneys filter the blood and cause waste to be removed in the form of urine. Kids, I want you to put your hands in your shoulders. What is the hard thing that you can feel in your shoulder? You're right, it's a bone. Bones, joints, and muscles make up our whole body. The bone in our head is called skull. The skull helps protect the brain. The backbones protect the spinal cord. The ribs form a protective cage around the heart and lungs. The pelvic bones support our body when we sit. The bones in our body are also connected with each other. The point where two bones meet and connect is called joint. Ball and socket joints are the ones found in our shoulder, hips, and joints. Joints and muscles allow our bones to move. Muscles enable our body to move. They also give shape and forms to our body and protect delicate organs. Voluntary muscles are attached to the bones. They hold the bones of the skeleton and give shape to the body. The body moves with the help of these muscles. Voluntary muscles are muscles that can be consciously controlled, like arms, legs, and face muscles. These muscles are also known as non-striated or smooth muscles. They are found lining the walls of internal organs like the stomach, intestine, urinary bladder, and blood capillaries. The muscle cells in involuntary muscles are thin, long, and spindle-shaped with a centrally located nucleus. Kids, what have you learned in our lesson today? Excellent! It's all about the major organs of human body. What are those major organs? Amazing! These are the heart, brain, stomach, small intestines, large intestines, liver, lungs, kidneys, bones, joints, and muscles. What organ is responsible for pumping blood? Very good! It's the heart. What are the organs responsible in digesting our food? Correct! These are the stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. How about the organ responsible in breaking down and building up biological molecules that store vitamins and iron? Very good! It's the liver. How about the organ responsible in extracting oxygen from the atmosphere? You got it right! It's the lungs. How about the organs that filters blood in the body and brings out waste in the form of urine? You're right, it's the kidney. What gives shape and forms to our body?
Muscles!
Very good! How about the point where two bones meet and connect? We call it joints. Great! Now kids, be ready for a short quiz. Open your LAS in Science 4. Open it on page 8, Activity 3, Wise Choice. Listen carefully as I read the direction. Choose the letter of the correct answer and write it on the space provided. Again, you will choose the letter of the correct answer and write it on the space provided. Let's begin. For number 1, what organ coordinates all action of the body? A. Heart. B. Liver. C. Brain. D. Stomach. Write your answer now. Let's proceed to number 2. Which of the following is the proper way to take care of the body? A. Eat a balanced diet. B. Observe cleanliness. C. Exercise regularly. D. All are correct. Write your answer now. For number 3, it is a hollow muscular organ which is considered as the body's pump. A. Heart. B. Liver. C. Brain. D. Stomach. Write your answer now. Let's move on to number 4. What will happen if the intestine do not function well? A. Supply of blood and water will not be regulated. B. Blood will not be pumped throughout the body. C. The body will not have sufficient supply of oxygen. D. Nutrients from the food we eat will not be thoroughly absorbed by the body. Write your answer now. Number 5. Its main function is to store and break down foods and liquids that we consume before it is further digested into the small intestine. A. Heart. B. Liver. C. Brain. D. Stomach. Write your answer. Let's proceed to number 6. Which organs enable your body to have an exchange of gases? A. Heart. B. Lungs. C. Liver. D. Bones. Write your answer. Let's move on to number 7. This major organ of the body is the source of thoughts, moods, and emotions. A. Heart. B. Lungs. C. Brain. D. Intestine. Write your answer. For number 8, the coordination of all body organs enables our body to function well. A. True. B. False. C. Sometimes. D. Sometimes false. For number 8, the coordination of all body organs enables our body to function well. A. True. B. False. C. Sometimes true. D. Sometimes false. Write your answer now. Moving on to number 9. Which of the following is the function of the kidney? A. Filter blood. B. Pump blood. C. Protect the heart. D. Hold urine. Write your answer now. And for number 10, the following are ways to make our body healthy and strong, except A. Eating a balanced diet. B. Exercising regularly. C. Drinking plenty of water. D. Eating all the food you want. Write your answer now. Now, it's time to check your answers. For number 1, the answer is letter C, brain. Number 2, D, all of the above. Number 3, letter A, heart. Number 4, D, nutrients from the food we eat will not be thoroughly absorbed by the body. Number 5, D, stomach. Number 6, B, lungs. Number 7, brain. Number 8, A, true. Number 9, A, filter blood. And number 10, D, eating all the food you want. Now, count your correct answers. Those who got a perfect score, which is 10, clap your hands. Very good! I think everyone got a perfect score. You truly listened well. Thank you, kids, for being with me today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and learned a lot. On behalf of our scriptwriter, Rose Pia T. Agacer, and the SDO Isabela RBI production team, I am your radio teacher, Ma'am Johanna R. Caro. Until next time, dearest learners, don't forget to stay tuned as we continue to explore the world of science. Stay home, stay safe, keep on advancing. Goodbye!
Patuloy ang edukasyon para sa ating henerasyon.
Sa daan ng pagkatuto ay walang may iwan.
Kaya halina sa Radyo Eskwela.